What's going on, YouTube? I'm back. I got some interior installs I'm about to do on the shit box, and my car pretty dirty right now. I ain't gonna show y'all all that. You can see the tank in the back, but shout out to Dyna Performance. Got some stuff from them. I haven't opened. I mean, it ain't nothing hard to install, I guess. Hope I don't mess up. Ain't got no knife. Gotta use some guns. So first and foremost, I got carbon trim, and straight out the packet, I'm gonna say that is super nice. Get all the stuff out of the way. I ain't had time to clean my car. I'm gonna clean it this weekend sometime. Would be going to Mustang week, but other things came up and I ain't got my battery in my car, so got that piece of trim. Let's see if I can get my key out my pipe. Use as a knife for a minute, cause I'll probably leave all this paper in there. Got that piece of trim. I'm guessing that's for the top of it can't be for the top of that. I don't know what the fuck that's for. We gonna find another piece of trim. I have no idea. The fuck is that for? I don't know. We're gonna go on to the next piece because I'm not about to get stuck on that one piece. But all in all, I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks straight out the packet. How it's gonna look in the car, that's kinda to me. But that's just me. I'm always picky about something. That's for the cup holder. And I gotta get that to close. Everything gotta be lined up perfect. From what I've seen online, it said it need to be lined up perfect because once you lay it, can't remove it. So we're gonna get everything lined up the way it's supposed to be. And since I do have the sink, that'll be going there. But anyway, this, as you can see, it's carbon fiber. The inside of my car is carbon fiber. The GTCS it has the carbon dash, seat imprints, and this just went perfect. I'll also go get the dash kit also because I like the shiny carbon. And you can see, I mean, it shouldn't be too hard to install. It's just some 3M tape and getting everything cleaned up to go in how it's supposed to go without having to do an install twice. So with that being said, I'm about to try to set you up somewhere else. All right, now we about to start peeling everything off. I couldn't get the camera set up in a better spot, so we finna get this install rolling. I'm gonna need y'all to wish me some luck because I'm pretty freaking nervous. I don't want to mess it up. When I say I don't want to mess it up, I don't want to mess it up. Good thing about this stuff, it'll stick, but it'll stick better if you press it. So, start right behind me, but three, 4 times. At least when I get it down, I know it's right. So I'm really not worried about how many times it take me to lay it down. Really more worried about getting it right. I mean, putting it in, who wants it to look toe up? You know what I'm saying? Just lay it down just a tad bit better, closer to the curves. got that part on, and it's already looking pretty much better. I think they could have did the overlay just a tad bit different and went down in the corners, but I'm gonna end up painting all that black anyway, so I'm not really too worried about how it turns out with this. And that's pretty forward. I mean, they just lay on there. Really, I gotta find out where the other pieces go. Start right here, so get that lined up. The rest of it should just fall in place. That's pretty tight, can't lie. This is gonna be the hard part, because I got this Tesla screen and I don't think it's gonna go up under there like I need it to. So that might have to be cut to fit, but as expected, some always go wrong with me. I'm not really tripping on it. Still looks good without it. Really don't know where the hell this go. No, it don't go right there. Really might need to Google it, cause what the hell is that for? No idea. I think this is for automatics. Or it might be for the front. Let's see. Found my key cutter. Show y'all what I got going on. Well, that don't go right there, it's too short. So I'm guessing that's for automatic cars. As this would be also. Because it's too short to go there. Cool. Guess that's stuff I won't use. Then I got these few pieces that go on the steering wheel itself. Really can't wait to get the rest of it now, because that definitely changed the look of the inside. And the car not even clean as it should be. That goes there. Really hate I ain't got this camera set up in another spot so you can see me, but I mean, who wants to see my ugly face anyway? You want to see this install. I'm gonna give you an install since I haven't gave you nothing else. Alright, the steering wheel down. We gonna get this steering wheel how it's supposed to go, and I'm guessing that going this side since it's longer. Oh wow. Start at the bottom. I already wiped it down. I hate to have to keep pausing, man. I really need a GoPro or some kind of body mounted thing so I can keep this camera rolling and not have to constantly pause. Oh, that's definitely nice. I think I like the steering wheel trim better than the actual dash trim. I really need to get a carbon fiber steering wheel. That would definitely finish my insides off. The car filthy. I'm really afraid to show it to you. Drive it to work every day, so that's why I end up buying me a work truck. Get that back there. That lay down. How that's supposed to go. really need to put some more glue on that. I don't know how that started coming off. Got his trash out probably tonight, because I can't keep riding like this. Wish I had some friends, man, that been in the cars around here. Be lit on the YouTube channel. But since I ain't got none, gotta make do what I can make do. So we got it installed, and as you can see with the light, man, that thing hits. That thing hits. That front part right there wasn't a fit for me, so I'm gonna have to cut that to make it fit. Look at the steering wheel. Man, that thing hits. I think everybody should get this carbon fiber trim. Jeez, but as I was saying, the interior of my car is basically carbon fiber. See the seats? Everything dirty. I'm not gonna lie. It's filthy in here. Everything fits perfect. So now that I got that done, guess I'll be doing a photo shoot soon. When I get the inside clean. Man, that's perfect. Yeah, my door ain't gonna close. I almost fuck around and break my window. No battery in this car. So to keep from driving my Mustang every day and putting so many miles on it, when it got me a beater truck, and I started a paint correction on it right here, which coming out pretty good compared to that, but that's for another video. So let's get this thing turned back around. So with that being said, I'm done, I'm out. Y'all get with Dyna Performance to get you some carbon fiber trim, and hopefully you can get it installed just as easy as I can. And I'll be back when I do the full interior, get everything glossed out, everything looking good. I got content coming for the Ford Ranger, more content coming for the S197. I got New Year's content coming, and I'm out, man. I need a haircut, I need to get everything done, but I'm out.